I get to wear this on my birthday. Hi, so today it's cloudy outside and it's pretty dark, so I'm assuming it's gonna rain, and I got my first dose of the COVID vaccine yesterday. My arm is a bit sore, so I feel like this is the perfect day to sketch my birthday outfit. And I'm gonna be doing this with Miss Pearl. She's so cute. Look at her. I'll talk to her sometimes, and she'll like turn her head at me like she's actually listening to me, and it's so cute. Hi, Pearl. Hi. How are you? How's my little mom? I'm so excited for her to have her little babies. They're gonna be so cute. But of course it's not focusing. So I made templates and I have some inspiration on my laptop, which is where you guys are placed right now. And I'm just gonna sketch and see what happens, and hopefully I'll pick something today, but my goal is to have something solid by tomorrow so I can go out and get the fabric tomorrow. And you know what, maybe I'll give myself until Sunday to have a solid design, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go and look for fabric and hopefully find someone buy it. And then depending on when I finish the design, either Sunday, definitely Sunday, I'm gonna start working on it. So let's get started. Alright, well, I was watching Frozen last night. I got inspiration for the final design, and this is it. It's kind of, I want it to look like a half, not a half butterfly, but sort of like a half butterfly. I wanted to give the one side more of a structured design, and then the other side just a plain wing to sort of symbolize that I'm still growing. I still have a lot to learn. I still have so much in life to accomplish, and it's only my 24th birthday. I'm excited. I have my fabric right here. How cute. And then I'm using this as a lining. So these are all of my patterns for the bust of the top. All of these. I have my fabric patterns, my lining, and then facing. There's so many. Good morning. Ignore my hair. It is a wash day. Hi. So I like how this isn't completely fitted to my body. It's a little loose, but the back has this, which is not ideal. Oops. Okay. So right now I'm gonna work on doing the lining and facing, putting that together, and then I'm gonna work on tailoring it to my body. I took the sides in an inch on each side, and it fits better. The back is still, like, I feel like it's okay. I'm trying to somehow get it so that it drapes nicely. Like, do something so that it could be fun like that. Just something cute, but I'm gonna take it in another 1/4 inch on either side and see from there. You guys, I just talked for like 2 minutes and I didn't hit the record button. Okay, anyway, I was saying that this is like perfect, exactly what I want. And it also looks so pretty in the sun, like, and this is kind of what the top is gonna look like. Like the silhouette, it's gonna be cut a little bit right here. And the back is still a little loose, but I'm not bothered by it. I actually really like it. I think it adds a fun little texture and element to it. So I'm gonna cut all of these off. We can actually do that together. Okay, well, I'm gonna take this off and fix that. This is the right side of the top, and I am gonna fold these back inside out and add a small dart right here, because as you can see the lining from the front, which we don't want. So that is what I'm gonna go fix. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one, just because it has a little extra room and I want it to fit great. The last thing I am doing tonight is sewing this on. I need to seam rip in here a little more, tuck that in, and sew right on top, and do the same with this one. Tomorrow I'm gonna do all of the straps and the hem. And probably add the slit and do like a bunch of fun little things. Pin that in so it's nice and tucked in and even. And now I'm just gonna sew right over top of that. The lighting is pretty terrible, and I have an alloy treatment, an alloy treatment in my hair. Just finished putting this on, and I'm in love. This is gonna be so pretty when it's all finished. We'll see it when it's all finished. I figured out something cute to do with back here. I'm excited to put the straps on too. Oh, it's gonna look so cute. Oh my gosh, it's gold. I kind of like it just like this. I don't know if I want to add the slit, but
I'm only this young once. Who am I kidding? I also look like this when I'm 60. Still gonna have fun while I can.
Today, I need to figure out the measurements for the straps. I guess it would help if I had a measuring tape, huh? Yes, it's true. You know when you miss your favorite part and you have to start it over? Yeah. We'll do it at 10, just in case. If this is coming here. I'm adding little loops because I'm gonna do a tie back instead of my original design. I'm just gonna have it be a tie so that I can tighten it and loosen it as much as I need. I cracked my screen and it's like, you see all this fun little stuff? Yeah, so I'm gonna turn you around and use the other side, and hopefully you can see everything. Okay, honestly, thought I was going to hate this, but I'm actually like so in love with it. I'm so excited to wear this tomorrow. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm so happy I like it. Oh my gosh. This makes me so happy. Oh, oh my gosh. I'm in love. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. I get to wear this on my birthday. Like, what? That's crazy. That's wild. Oh my gosh. I'm so obsessed, so obsessed, so obsessed. You can't tell, I'm really happy right now. And I'm really tired also, so I'm gonna shower because this
is a greasy mess.
And go to bed. When I wake up, I will officially be 24 years old. 24, such a good number though. I have a good feeling about this year. So I will see you all tomorrow. Good night.
1, 2, 3. Happy Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Cassidy. Happy birthday to you. Charlotte is holding a lamp right